You don't need guys to have fancy stuffs, fancy setups, like gaming PC, big computers, big screens, and other kind of stuffs for you to become successful in trading in 2026. All what you need is just on your smartphone, small capital, and the free time for you to start running. Because I'm just saying with experience, there are some traders who are seriously successful and they just started the trading forex right from their smartphones. And within this video, guys, I'm just going to explain exactly what you need to do and what to have for you to become successful in forex trading in 2026. You only need to have three things first at the start, and those things, the first one is just your smartphone, the smartphone which you're actually using right now to watch this video. In that smartphone will have an access for you to start analyzing the market, learning, downloading different pdfs, watching different youtube videos, journaling your trades. And the second thing that you need to have is the capital. You don't need $1,000. You don't need $100,000. What you need, you just only need $100. That equals to like that, right? That equals to almost like mbili na hamsini era za Kitanzania. So if you have that money, then you are you are capable to start trading forex without any excuse. Then if you started trading forex, the first thing that you have to do, you should not aim at becoming rich with that $100. What you should do first is to test your systems, test your skills which you have guys learned. If you test guys in a live market, you'll have that emotion and you'll understand where your weakness is, and then um you will start learning on how guys you can become a good version of yourself. With $100, you'll become a successful forex trader in 2026. Make sure you trust the process. Make sure you show off every day, and make sure you become disciplined. Follow your plan, follow your system, and the most important thing, be very very patient, because the result, guys, does not come at the start. The result comes, guys, over time. So expect it to become successful at least after 2 to 3 years if you guys struggling like the way I did myself for the first time. And also this the third thing that you need to have is a free time, and that free time, guys, will help you to learn the forex market very well, practice the knowledge which you have learned, and the most enough, do the things that pertain to forex, and the in short, learning, doing all of kind of stuff pertaining to forex trading, that will contribute you to become so successful. And if you manage to have those three things, that is the smartphone, the capital, not more than $100, and then the next thing is just only free time to start practicing what you have guys learned from forex trading. And if you have those things, guys, I'm sure you'll become invincible in 2026. Even though you won't make much money, but you will become very experienced in terms of how the forex market works, and you'll become capable to make more money in 2027, guys. So if you have enjoyed the video, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you turn on the notification bell, so as whenever I upload a new video into my YouTube notifies you and you become the first person to watch this video.